Hello. This is Mitra from Mitra-et-le-Parfum. Look, what do we have here? Guys, if you do not like this presentation, I am not like really into bling bling of stuff anymore. I used to be, but not as much. But you know, there's something about getting a package, like a fragrance wrapped like this. Oh my God, isn't it beautiful? Like there's something about it. I can't. This is so pretty. So pretty. I just wanted to show you guys like the opening of it. So as you know, like I've done review of a bunch of samples of Reine De Saba that they kindly sent to me, and you know what, in the review I discovered that I like some more fragrances, and still there are more that I like from the fragrances. I reached out to the house because one of them is a fragrance that is not out there. I couldn't find it, so I have here, let me open this one. Oh, look at that. And there's like a, they have put a, oh, this is SABA Desert. This is the one I'm talking about. This fragrance hasn't come out yet. I saw the samples. They sent me a sample like that, and I saw the sample and I was like, oh, I'm gonna get that one. It is, I smelled it. It was gorgeous. So I ended up getting a bottle. Yes. So let's do, I'm gonna do unboxing of this one because this is such a beautiful fragrance. And then you open this up like that. Look at this presentation. Isn't that beautiful? Like, so pretty. Very well made, very well packaged, and it also came very fast. So it came from, I bought it directly from the house of Reine De Saba. It arrived within 4 days with DHL, and it was fantastic. So this is the box, what it looks like. It's but Eleanor Massonnet, and this is SABA Desert. And let's see, sorry if you're gonna hear the opening of the box. Such a beautiful fragrance. I tried a sample. I wore it for a day and I could not get enough of it. It was so good. I was like, I am going to get this one because it is so pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so here it is in the back. So there is, I'm just gonna hold it a little bit closer. See, he said top notes: myrrh, olibanum, styrax, benzoin, vanilla, Madagascar, amber, base notes are musk, oud, laos, sandalwood. I know, you know, oud, we get scared of oud. I do get scared of oud, but it's not that kind of, you know, stinky oud. And there's the presentation, guys. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Isn't that beautiful? And then there's like a description up there. This is like, so beautifully resonates, like all those notes, right? Like myrrh, benzoin, labdanum, styrax. It's such a beautiful fragrance. And oud is there, not gonna lie, oud is there, but it's not skanky. It just gives it a depth. And look at these bottles, are basically a piece of art. And look at that. This is whole heavy metal bottle. It's absolutely gorgeous, guys. If you are thinking of getting, and then they sent me, even though they have sent me so many samples before, oh my God, thank you very much, whoever I'm talking to on the on WhatsApp. Thank you so much for the excellent customer service and all the samples. I really appreciate you. Hope you all enjoy unboxing. If you want to check me trying the samples of Reine De Saba, it's in the lives section of the videos. I will also post a short about unboxing of the other one here. And please like, subscribe, turn on the notification button, and I shall see you later. Bye-bye.